Core of the fourth industrial revolution, 3D printers. Merain Company has the core metal 3D printing technology required for high value-added industries. With the growth of core technologies such as 3D printing service, education, metal powder GMP certification, and software, it has developed its own David series of metal 3D printers. It is optimized for dental research, development, and education by applying metal additive manufacturing system with metal powder and powder bed fusion type, and securing its own technology in a 300-watt laser system. It is an additive manufacturing system with a long life, safe laser scanner, and a reliable 300-watt IPG photonics laser system that is compatible with Magix and NetFab software. It can produce complex and sophisticated high-quality components, melt only the necessary parts of each layer, or recycle the rest of the metal powder. And various shapes can be manufactured with a free design, and various metal powders can be used to reduce production time and cost. In addition to metal 3D printing for various medical devices, such as dental prosthesis, cranial facets, and artificial bones, etc. Metal 3D printing for education, R&D, jewelry, and accessory are possible. And Merain Company has obtained ISO quality and environmental system and GMP certification of dental metal powder. Merain Company has the delivery results of the Korea Military Academy and other public institutions. Merain, a metal 3D printer company, is always by your side.